Hey everyone, if Penpot is showing an export failed error or your files just won't download properly, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help you export your designs successfully. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Interruptions during the export process can sometimes cause downloads to fail. Next, close the export window and try again. Yeah, temporary glitches can occasionally interrupt the export process. If one format keeps failing, try exporting in another format. I mean, switching between PNG, SVG, PDF, or JPEG can sometimes solve the issue. Large projects with many layers or effects can sometimes cause export errors, so try exporting smaller sections or fewer elements. Another quick fix is refreshing Penpot and reopening your file. This can clear temporary issues affecting the export function. If you're using Penpot in a browser, clearing cache and cookies may help. Yeah, corrupted browser data can interfere with exports. Some browser extensions can interfere with file downloads. I mean, temporarily disabling them is worth trying. Make sure your browser is updated. So, outdated versions can sometimes create compatibility problems during export. Sometimes export failures happen because of server issues. If Penpot is experiencing maintenance or outages, waiting may solve the problem. If nothing works, contact Penpot support for additional help. They can investigate export-related issues and provide further assistance, and that's it. One of these methods should help fix Penpot export failed errors and allow you to save your designs successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.